Welcome back to Professor Siron, everyone. Today we have another quick video for you guys. We're going to be drawing on some of the beautiful whiteboards in this room. Alright, let's get started. So keeping in mind, we have to keep our drawings more professional. You know, like a lot of people are going to be looking at these. So let's just start off with a big star. Now, actually, what's interesting about these 5-point stars is that they're sort of like a letter in the alphabet. So if we take something like a super S, for example, I don't know how to draw a super S, but it's definitely not one stroke. And people think of this shape as different than this shape, because this shape is just drawn with one stroke, and then it's like the 5 points, right? And there's also no other way to do it. You could also draw a star like this, for example, but you know, most people don't do it like this, they do it like this. So this is thought of more as like a letter or a symbol, and then these two are thought of as drawings, which I think is very interesting. So over here on this whiteboard, I thought we could focus more on the abstract idea of art. So let's just start with the horizon line from left to right. And then over here, I want to sort of draw a sun, but not make it seem like a sun. So let's just do something like a source of light. So this is meant to look like something like a ceiling light that you would see up there. And we'll just draw some lines on it to represent light. And then since this is a sort of hilly area, right, it makes sense that people would be grazing cows here. So we gotta draw some cows just to, so these are our cows here. And sorry, I missed the head. Okay, so that's the head part. Our cows. And we'll get those in there. And then, you know, since they're grazing cows, it makes sense it also needs some chickens too. We're gonna draw some chickens. Yeah, got another chicken in there. All right, so I think this is almost done. We just need to add a few more details. So we'll add some grass. And then why not just have a shooting star from the sky? And this is sort of allude to that drawing over there. So we're gonna have a little star. I'm gonna draw the traditional way, like how you would draw a shape. And we'll just do something like this and draw some streaks behind it. And that's gonna be our shooting star. All right. So now we have two of these drawings done. And then, so when someone's coming into this room, they're gonna see these two drawings. But we also want to remind them of these drawings on the table here. So we're just gonna draw some things that would maybe make them think of that table. So right here, since I think this is curved, it sort of represents a hill. So we're gonna draw a little cow. And then it's a mix between a cow and a chicken, so that you know they remember what it looks like, right? And then over here, we'll draw a little spinning star. So the star is over here. This is the letter star now. And we sort of like draw it in a circle. So it's an interesting star, right? And then over here, we have to sort of continue the hill pattern that we started over there. So let's just make some hills. And we have our hills over here. And then, of course, we need a light source so that everyone can see our drawings. So we're just gonna draw a little sun right over here. And yeah, I think my work here is done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.